Making ruffles is easy, and there are a few ways to go about it. It's a good idea to make samples with the fabric you intend to use. You can change the look of the ruffles by using more or less fabric. Here are mock-ups using a medium-weight satin, a heavier poplin, and a very lightweight chiffon. To make the 4 inches of ruffle, I used 6 inches, or 1.5 times the finished length, 8 inches, or twice the finished length, and 12 inches, or 3 times the finished length. There's a big difference between all of these, and which variation you choose is purely aesthetic. To make these ruffles, I used a long stitch length and high thread tension, and sewed over the edge without back tacking. I left long thread tails. Then you can pull the tail of the bobbin thread to adjust the gathers down to the size or look you want. When you sew it to whatever it's attaching to, I like to sew with the gathers on top, so I can keep an eye on them and adjust them easily as I go. Another way to make ruffles is using this torture device looking attachment for your machine. Take off the regular presser foot attachment. Put this crescent wrench looking part around the screw for the needle, and the square part gets screwed into the shaft of the foot. Keep it on the 1 setting, and use the screw to adjust the depth of the ruffles. Weave your fabric through the guides and sew away. The attachment makes consistent, even gathers in your fabric. Here are the samples from the ruffle foot attachment. They don't look too unlike the third mock-up of the manually gathered ruffles.